Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing from Alpaka gear. So to explain this purchase, that is what I usually do, I explain why I buy things. If you have seen my elevator videos, you see that I'm always carrying a weekend bag, a duffel bag. This is my daily bag. May look feminine, I don't know, but this is what I carry all time. And when I go on car meets or when I'm going to be in need of the bag all day, because this usually is laying in my car, I want to use a backpack. I do. I have several of nice backpacks, but I never use them. Never. And if I do have them with me, yeah, use it over my shoulder like that, or use it in the hand like that. And so yeah, I see no need for it to use instead of my weekend duffel bag. And my weekend duffel bag that I usually have in my hand, sometimes I want to have it over my shoulder. So yeah, but this looks a bit too much, and this looks a bit childish, I think. Grown man, 42 years old, wearing a backpack. In some cities it's okay, in some cities it's not. When I was in Stockholm a couple years ago, I went out with a bunch of friends, and most of them had backpacks. And I just laughed at them. I said, we're going out to dinner, we're going out at a pub, etc., etc. You're not allowed to wear a backpack. And they used, why wouldn't we be allowed to have it? We went into the restaurant, to the pub, to the discotheque, and everybody in Stockholm had backpacks. This is way before COVID and suicide bombers and etc., etc. So in some cities it might be okay for a grown man to wear a backpack. To me, I don't know. For some reason, a colorful weekend bag is more okay. But then I saw that Alpaka have something that I think might be just perfect for me. So first of all, this is a computer case, with what we would call a computer case. Look like a briefcase, looks very business, but it is also a backpack, and is also, you also have a shoulder strap. What I like the most were the handles on top on the sides, because that is when I go on a tight flight or train, I usually carry my bag just in front of me. So that's the two parts that I like. And this have a bunch of things. Let's see how it works. So here we have luggage pass through when you have your roller case, and you can close this so you can use it as a pocket if you don't want that. At least half of it, yeah. So half part, and yeah. And then I think we have the shoulder straps here. Yes, we do. This is nice. So first of all, carrying it like a briefcase, your standard computer working briefcase. And then we have these. Let me see how these work. All right, it's just simple. Just hook it on the, what I thought was a handle. So now you have your backpack. I haven't adjusted the straps at all, but this was nice actually. This was nice. Yeah. And if you want to use only one of them, you can do that, because you can still hide one of them and you can adjust it how you want it. Man, I like this. And now let's find the shoulder strap. And of course, even when you use the backpack straps or not, you can still use that compartment. And then we have a compartment, outer compartment. Here we have the shoulder strap. We have a key strap, pockets, and the major pocket. Let's see what this looks like inside. Strap to hold your computer. Man, this was nice. And a zipper pocket. This was nice. I bought this one as well to have with me when I go on big car events where I want to have my tripod, my microphones, etc. with me. But I think this might be the right solution for me. I think so. And so this is how you carry it with your shoulder strap. Man, I'm really impressed with this one. I think I found a perfect bag. And of course you can adjust this longer and shorter and carry it like this if you want to. Man, I think I found a perfect bag. I really like this. It was available in blue and another color as well, but I thought that black would look more professional, more dressed up. I like this bag. It's called Element Tech Brief Pro. And if you go via my link in the description, you have, I believe it's 15% off on all Alpaka products. They used to have discount codes that were SIRPR15, but now you go via the link instead. Really, really nice. Perfect in size, and I'm really impressed. If you have any questions, let me know. I will do my best to answer them. I've explained to you why I bought it and what I usually carry and yada yada yada, and I showed you how it works, and I'm just super impressed. So thanks for watching, and the link with the SIRPR15 code will give you 15% off, so check that out.